Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another fascinating book club. Today we're gonna review my all-time favorite book about endometriosis, which is A Key to Healing and Fertility Through Nutrition. Ta-da-da! I absolutely love this book, and I have to tell you that this book was actually my motivator. I wrote this book, as you can see, I highlighted things. I literally work with this book, highlighting things and coming back to them, because this book is not only full of practical knowledge but got solid social proof. And what I mean by that, it's full of testimonials of the girls who actually managed to put their endometriosis into remission. Woo! So you've got the big chapters about the fertility, the very honest analysis of the endometriosis treatment. There's a lot of useful information about the digestion, about how to take care of your immune system, which is so important, especially now when we've got the global pandemic, but the governments are not telling us how to take care of our immune system. The book also walks you through all the vitamins, and it's actually got the recipes and the meal plan. They also focus a lot on mindset, which I found very useful, and even on visualization. There's a lot of techniques of visualizing your perfect health. And they also got symptoms and the pain calendar, so you can basically track your symptoms and your pain, and while you're working with a book, you can track your progress. It's written by the Diane Shepherdson Mills, MA, and the Michael Vernon, PhD, HCLD. And as I mentioned, it's got a lot of very uplifting testimonials from women from all over the UK who managed to put their endo into remission. I'm going to read you one of them. Natalie C. of London. I eliminated cheese and caffeine. I changed my diet. At laparoscopy, nothing was detected, and I'm expecting a baby. From 1 out of 10, if I could give this book 11, I really would, because I honestly think it's the best book about endometriosis out there. And I come across a lot of books, some of them suggesting you to pay for your hair to be analyzed and check your hormones, which is very much silly, because we all know a lot of girls with endometriosis got too high estrogen. Like, you don't need to spend a lot of money to actually find it out. It's just how it is. This book is literally no bullshit here. It's literally facts, how to implement it, and testimonials of the girls who actually done it. So Diane Shepherdson, if you hear me, I want to thank you, because your book was literally inspiration for me. If you get only one book from all the book club series, which I'm going through right now, please make sure this is this book, okay? You're gonna thank me later, because it's absolutely amazing book and every endo girl should have it. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and share it with others, so we can all come together and heal together. As always, I'm gonna see you in Monday and in Friday in another book club. Bye!